Traffic Cataclysm Review. In today's review, I'm going to show you, I'll be reviewing an info course which includes a proven method and training by a traffic master that will help any website generate high ticket commissions with 100% free traffic. Make sure you stay till the end of this video review, as I'm going to be telling you about the upsells and the OTOs that are going to be offered, so that you can make an informed decision on what you're going to buy and what is right for you. See, if you're new to my channel, my name is Prakash. I'm from prakashcbase.com. I'm a digital affiliate marketer, and I make review videos 2 or 3 every week, and make sure to hit the notification bell, and along with that just press the subscribe button so that you can get notified on the latest internet marketing softwares and info courses. So at any time during this video, if you want to look at the actual product itself, click the link right below in this video, so that it will take you to the bonus page with which you can grab the product. In a nutshell, Traffic Cataclysm is an info course which will teach you how to promote any offer or get traffic to any website. High ticket offers, get traffic and make money out of them. See, Traffic Cataclysm is newbie friendly, and it doesn't require any tech skill or marketing experience. So anybody with even a little bit of marketing experience can make money out of this particular thing. So you can make some good money using Traffic Cataclysm, definitely yes. So if this sounds like something you're interested in, click the link in the description below. That will take you through to my bonus page. My bonus page will look something like this. All you have to do is just scroll the link below and click on these red buttons as of the 29th of November 9 AM Eastern, and you will be directed to the sales page. The sales page is going to look something like this, and you can get this product right here. So just click on this red button here, and it will take you to the payment gateway, and you can pick up Traffic Cataclysm for just around $12.95, the front end offer. I don't want you to miss on the bonuses, because I spent a long time putting these bonuses together for you, so that you can get the best out of this particular info course, Traffic Cataclysm. So let me go further into this. Now let us take a look at the demo video, what this particular Traffic Cataclysm is all about.
Hey, it's Philip Johansson here, and in the next 3 minutes I'm gonna share with you how you can maximize your online income, even if you're starting from scratch as a beginner, and even in today's economy. Because as you see, I've got a traffic legend to share his secret method on how he made over $68,000 in just 30 days without spending a single dime in traffic. Meet the traffic master, Jasdeep. Like many, he struggled early in his online career with crappy traffic and lousy offers, but after shifting gears, he went on to make 6 figures in 2019 by cutting his work time in half. For the first time in over 5 years, anyone can unlock buyer traffic for free and use it to big profits. Introducing Traffic Cataclysm, a brand new legendary training. Traffic Cataclysm is a powerful, shockingly easy breakthrough system, making it easier than ever to bank in big commissions every day, without creating your own products, without an email list, e-com stores, fancy websites, videos, being an expert, and learning sales copy. Traffic Cataclysm brings it all in one platform. Unlimited buyer traffic you can convert to sales, crazy converting offers, one-click scaling to explode your results, your all-inclusive traffic and commission solution. I want you to picture turning free traffic into 4+ figures commissions all day long just by copy and pasting what a traffic legend does. Before now, getting results of this size this fast was impossible, even for gurus with unlimited budgets and teams of experts pumping out content 24/7. Just the idea of making 4-figure profits in a single day without a product list or experience was unthinkable. With this, it's now happening every single day like clockwork. And when you can copy how the leading traffic experts online get results and be giving the precise offers to link to that traffic, commissions becomes predictable. With this specific system, you can unleash floods of targeted traffic for free and watch it quickly convert into high-ticket commissions. There is nothing to figure out, create, or invent. Just copy the proven process of a 6-figure marketer to be up and running and making your first big-ticket commission today. Sounds too good to be true? I know you would say that, but listen, to maximize profit in the shortest time, your traffic and offers have to work together. Traffic Cataclysm is the world's only system that integrates free traffic with top-paying offers for you to virtually make it predictable 4-figure daily commissions. Traffic Cataclysm is an all-in-one solution that enables anyone to start making big-ticket sales out of thin air. Say goodbye to guesswork, learning curves, and maybes. Say hello to bulletproof and paint-by numbers easy. How can we say that with such confidence, you ask? Because Jasdeep have taught hundreds of his students this exact training we are about to reveal to you today. And their results, within just days, every one of them were in profit, including several go-getters already making crazy amounts of money monthly. Getting traffic and profits are what lie in your future. The second you start the training, you will unlock this secret and top-guarded method for turning free traffic into $2,000 and even $4,000 paydays in pure profit. How cool is that? And this has been backed up with hundreds of his students' results. Jasdeep have only been sharing this method with his top-paying students who paid him $997 for this exact information you're about to get your hands on today. So I ask you, can you see yourself earning these amount of commissions every day? Are you ready for this opportunity? Of course you are, right? Because traffic flows and the offers convert into same-day commissions. If you can spare 10 minutes a day, you can be on your way to 4-figure commissions. With this, you're getting the best traffic plus the best affiliate marketing rolled into one super simple, streamlined system. Jasdeep is normally charging $997 for this exact training we are about to reveal to you today. But these are unusual times we are living in, and we know the struggle deeply. So for a limited time, we got Jasdeep to share it with you for a fraction of its actual price. This unique traffic portal combined with top quality training can provide you with once-in-a-lifetime chance for truly massive results. This can be yours for extremely low one-time price. You get the rewards, we take on the risk, because hundreds of his students is already making 4 and 5 figures. So we firmly believe you're going to do great with this, and we are so confident that we take on all the risk of your tiny investment here today. Traffic Cataclysm comes with a rock solid 30-day no question asked money back guarantee. So there's no risk to you. You can get started right away with making big commissions today without spending a single dime and without the frustrations of running paid advertising by clicking the button below right now. Imagine you could earn an extra $10,000 just before Christmas. Would that change your life? It changed me and Dan's life, and it can do the same for you. This is your last chance to get a high-ticket course for the same price as a pizza. Click the button below now, and we look forward to see you on the inside.
So that was the demo video for you. Now let us look at the bonuses here. So the bonuses, you go to the bonus page, you just have to go down, scroll this link, scroll this page down below. You're going to see the bonuses I'm offering here. You're getting bonus number 1 is the Boomerang Buddy. So in this bonus you're getting access to a method and a software through which you can earn 10,000 by promoting offers only with free traffic. So this is a free traffic source. It's called Boomerang Buddy. You can make quite a lot of money if you are really take action on this particular this one. Now bonus number 2 is domain flipping super affiliate. In this bonus you will learn another method through which you can make money online by flipping expired domains with, and this will also help you get traffic. So this is the bonus number 2. My bonus number 3 is the equipment you need to make a YouTube channel. In this bonus you will be getting access to a complete guide on all the equipment you require to make a YouTube channel. You will also be getting software and also hacks needed to make a YouTube channel in this particular bonus number 3. Bonus number 4, you are getting access to Continuum Pro advanced training. In this bonus you will be getting access to a method and a software using which you can run traffic using webinars to make money. And bonus number 5 is I have given is the vendor bonuses. The bonuses the vendor has given me to give it away to you. So the vendor bonuses, he has given 5 products here. Product number 1 is my alternative to ClickFunnels. Bonus number 1. Bonus number 2 is Bing Ad Scores. Bonus number 3 is 2500 email swipes. And bonus number 4 is 5 top email marketing tips, and bonus number 5 is $0 to $100 in 24 hours. So these are the vendor bonuses. So you're going to get all the vendor bonuses along with my bonuses 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end of this course, which is going to cost you just around $12.95. So anytime you want to get this particular offer, you just have to click the link in the description below. That will take you to my bonus page. You can click on this particular red button. It will take you to the sales page, and there you click on the red button and it will take you to the Warrior Plus payment gateway. Now the question is, how do I get my bonuses? Where do I get my bonuses? It's very simple, folks. So what you have to do is, after you pick up this particular product, it will be directed to Warrior Plus page. At the right hand top corner will be a username or affiliate. You just click on that. You're going to get a drop down menu which says purchase history. Just click on this purchase history. It will be taking you through to a page, a receipt page like this. So you find a green button here, access your product. Just click on this and you're going to get access to your product. Just click the down below button here, a blue button which says access affiliate bonus. Just click on this button and all the bonuses are there waiting for you guys, 100% free of charge, even though you pick up the front end of this particular offer. So now let me head over to the OTOs and just go through the OTOs now. The OTO number 1 is let me tell you, the front end I told you is going to cost you around $12.95. OTO number 1 is going to cost you $47. Is a downsell at $37. OTO 2 is $97 and is a downsell at $67. OTO 3 is $197. This is a downsell at $97. And done for you income funnel 147. This is a downsell at $97. Reseller rights costing you around $97, and there is a downsell at $67. So you can come and have a look at this at your own time. I don't want to read this thing and waste your time. So you can just go through this slowly one by one at your own time. This is Jasprit Sandhu who has made this particular training. So it is a good training, guys. I've gone through it. It's a very good training. And now let me go into the members area and show you what it is. Basically, the whole thing is an info course which tells you about how to get a free traffic to your your web page, sales page, or whatever it is. So this is in brief about this product, guys. But it's a fantastic traffic course. What you're going to get is, first you're going to get a welcome video what is before starting. So the main training is you're going to how to plan content, no overview. It's a Facebook content marketing, the organic marketing sequence, optimize your social media channel, finding buyers and audience 100% free, creating your content step-by-step tutorial plus example, how to plan your content the easy way, how to make massive engagements on social media, how to warm up the Facebook algorithms, maximum results, over the shoulder process of organic material, of organic marketing, and the 30-day challenge, become an organic marketing expert in 30 days or less. So these are all the modules you're getting, and it is I've seen this course, guys. It's a very good course. I think for a free traffic, it is a fantastic course. So now, if you're to get all these bonuses, all you have to do is just all my bonuses and this course. You have to just click on this red button on my bonus page, and no. Just click on that button, it's going to take you to the sales page. Click on that button there and you're going to access to this product. So if you're watching this video, there are 50% chance that you're not subscribed to the channel, and it's a 100% chance that you can change this by just pressing the button there. So kindly consider subscribing to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thank you.